Downloads the Google Hangouts from the App Store. Next, click on Get Started to open the program. Select the account that you want to use with Google Hangouts or add another user. In the Conversations tab, click on the plus sign to locate your teacher's name. Find your teacher by typing their name on here and then clicking on their name in the bottom. Make sure to click on the check mark on top. You can now start chatting with your teacher with your questions by typing it here, or you can have a video chat with your teacher by clicking on this camera. You can also access Google Hangouts using a web browser by clicking and typing hangouts.google.com as the URL. Find your teacher by typing in their name into the search field. Once you find your teacher, you can send your teacher a message by typing your message here on the send a message, or have a video chat with them by clicking on the camera.